Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and receive tax documents on Venmo. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Venmo application and log into your account. You can receive your Venmo tax documents electronically through the app or website and potentially via physical mail if you did not opt into paperless delivery prior to July 2022. So simply go to the Me tab or your profile picture or initial, then tap on the settings gear icon, select tax documents, and then tap the download button for the desired form and year. So your eligibility, you only receive a tax document from Venmo if your account activity for goods and services payments meet the IRS reporting thresholds. Personal payments are not reported. I hope this video made everything clear to you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.